Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ready, start. It is evident that we shall hardly succeed in our business relations unless we understand something of the law that guards and guarantees our legal rights and in the last resort enforces the performance of bargains. Full stop. We must, in our duties as ordinary citizens, have some degree of knowledge in the laws in order that we may protect ourselves against the felonious acts of felons or would be felons. Full stop. In matters of business, we need to have a keener appreciation of our rights and obligations, or we shall probably fall into serious mistakes and, possibly, lose our whole fortune. Full stop. Certainly, we are not to suppose that men act honorably in business merely because they are constrained by the law. Full stop. Merchants, factors, agents and owners of factories perform their contracts without thinking about the possibility of a lawsuit, even as they respect the property of their neighbors from other motives than a dread of punishment for thieving. Full stop. Nipera. Confidence in the honesty of others there must be, or business would be impossible. Full stop. Contracts were performed long before there was a law of contracts, and numberless bargains are effected that the law would not think of enforcing. Full stop. Much of our mercantile law is in fact, simply the custom of merchants made authoritative and applicable to all grades of business. Full stop. What men have found convenient to do, what has conduced to the smooth working of buying and selling, has been adopted and made effective, and few seek to avoid their obligations. Full stop. The merchants enjoyed special privileges and were subject to special duties, and their usages were binding only upon them. Full stop. Nipera. These usages were a body of customs by which trade was facilitated, and they were more firmly established as time passed. Full stop. Recognized as binding by the merchants, this body of customs was gradually incorporated into the law that everyone, whether merchant or farmer, factor or agent, is constrained to observe. Full stop. Such law, is as was declared by a judge of a case in 1875, neither more nor less than the usages of merchants and traders. Full stop. They have been ratified by the decision of courts of law, which upon such usage being proved before them, have adopted them as settled law. Full stop. In the present tendency to consolidate the law, most of the usages are contained in the Sales of Goods Act of 1893. Full stop. Stop writing.